Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'm doing another Dollar Tree haul for you guys today. Really excited. My Dollar Tree hauls are kind of behind because of the fact that I was so sick over the weekend, the other weekend. So the haul that you guys saw in my last haul was actually from like a couple weeks ago. So this is actually my most current haul, even though that was my first haul of the actual new year. It's just like, it's just behind because everything's behind. But yeah, this is my most recent haul. This is the haul I did today. Today is actually Sunday, and I don't know exactly which day this week I'll go ahead and post this because I did just post the haul from my first haul of the New Year's. But anyways, this is going to be my most recent haul of the new year, and it is from today, which is Sunday. So it's a very small haul. I did not get a whole lot of stuff. It's not very small, but it's 2 bags of stuff, and they were pretty full, so I still got a lot of stuff, but I didn't get my usual like 4 bags or whatever of stuff because like I said, I just did a haul, but I did stop in there and I wanted to see if there was anything new that I had missed the last time I was in there. They were still unboxing all the Valentine's stuff, so I didn't get to really look at all of that, but I did get a couple things that were Valentine's related. Nothing like too serious because it's still way too early for me to start celebrating Valentine's Day. But anyway, let's dive right in and see what I picked up in this haul. Okay, so first thing is the Purina Alpo T-Bones Filet Mignon flavor little dog treats. You guys know who this is for. My little muffin back there. She's so cute. I gotta show you guys. Look at how she's sitting because my husband tucked her in. Oop, look at her. Oh, little muffin. Are you all tucked in like a little baby? Yes. So she likes to be tucked in at night. It's very cute. But anyways, these are for her. And then I also picked up these Scrub Buddies reusable gloves for dishwashing. I prefer the Brillo brand, but they just did not have those in the size large, and my husband's hands won't fit in the medium, so I have to get the large. So these were my only other choice. And then I also picked up one thing from over in the Valentine's stuff. They did have the mugs open and they were putting them up, and I was able to go ahead and get in there and snag one really quick. And this one is really cute. I love this one. They had a lot of cute ones, but this one has 2 monsters on it like this. And then it says, "I only have eyes for you." God, how could I not? How could I not? So I'm going to take this into work with me tomorrow and do my coffee in it in the morning because it's going to make me feel happy. And then I picked up this 3-pack of Marchon Instant Lunch chicken flavor. Love this stuff. And then in the other bag, so I stocked up on some of the Valentine's socks because they were so cute. And frankly, I love socks. I love wearing socks all the time. And these aren't too overly Valentine's. I mean, obviously they're for Valentine's, but I could wear these still like throughout the year and not feel like I was wearing socks that weren't for the right season, even though I really don't care. But I picked up 2 pairs of the ankle socks that look like this. These are both super cute. Of course, I like to get the 9 through 11 size because I wear 8.5 and they always shrink really bad. But yeah, these are just 2 that are really cute. Love these, and they're really soft material. Like sometimes they're kind of scratchy, but these are really soft, so I really like these. And then also picked up 2 of the longer ones, and these are also really cute. So these say love, and they got just the words love, and then they're like a cream color and got pink on them. And then these are black with different color hearts. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these socks. I love them. And then I do still have those other ones that I picked up as well that I plan on wearing. And then I picked up 2 of these, and I think she may have only charged me for 1, but I picked 2 of them up. These are the Maggie Holmes, which I've never heard of, but apparently this is actually really nice. It's from the Confetti brand, and I think they might have this in like Michael's or Joann's or something. It's probably for scrapbooking, but these are 14 chalkboard labels. And these are extremely cute. So you can write on these, I guess with like a white gel pen or something. And oh my gosh, they're just adorable. So that's what the brand looks like. And then there's the ones on the front here. Look how cute those are. And then there's also some on the back. And I just plan on, I don't know, I'm going to use these in my house or in my beauty room, maybe to label something. I don't know, but they're just really cute. They're little chalkboard labels. And when I saw these, I had to pick them up. They had a lot of really nice little scrapbooking stuff in there. But these are really cute. And I'm hoping these are like self-stick. That would be really nice. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I also picked up this Global Beauty Care Charcoal Cleansing Nose Strips. There's 3 of them in here. I don't know if these are new or if I just have never seen these in my Dollar Tree before, because I've never seen them in my Dollar Tree before. But I went ahead and picked them up, and I'm going to give them a little go and see how they are. I do like Global Beauty Care. I like them as a brand, so I picked up one of those to try out. And those were going pretty fast in there, I have to say. And then also I got this from the Ink brand. This is Clip Clicks, and there is 8 different color pens in there. I thought this was a really good deal. I'm going to take these into work and use them for, I don't know, just for writing, making notes. I'm doing like a radiology course at work, so these might be helpful for taking notes, but really like all the different bright colors. And for 8 for $1, that's a pretty amazing price. So I went ahead and picked those up. And then I also picked up this Assured brand 5 blade razors, and there's 3 of them in here. Now this is the men's razors, but I picked these up for myself, and I personally kind of like the men's razors better than the women's razors sometimes. I find that they just seem to work a lot better. They don't cut you as much. They seem to give you a like closer shave on your legs and everything. So I just went ahead and picked up the men's. I really don't care if they're for men or not. I know a lot of women that use men's razors that just give you a closer shave, and they just work a lot better. So I went ahead and picked these up here. And then also, this was something new. I have not seen this one before in there, and I'm not sure if I'm going to like it. So if I do like it, you guys will see it in upcoming empties. This is the Inspire Premium Mega Moisturizing Body Wash Skin Smoothing in the shea butter, and this is compared to Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash. So that's what that looks like. The bottle is very similar to the Olay, and they had a couple new varieties of these. These are from that Evergreen brand, so they're not from the Green Burr whatever brand. But yeah, it says paraben free, extra long lasting moisture, and the smell was pretty nice. Yeah, it smells pretty good. It smells kind of similar to like the Olay body wash. So I'm going to head and give this a go. I have not been thrilled with Dollar Tree body washes in the past, but I may like this one. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then I also picked up one bar soap. This is the Yardley London Shea Buttermilk for Sensitive Skin soap. And these are really good soaps. I do really like these soaps. They work really well. They're very moisturizing. And this one looks really nice. It's for sensitive skin, which is good. And it has chamomile and creamy buttermilk. So that should be really nice. So we'll see how that goes. And then I was really excited to find this. I guess this would be my big find for the day. I don't know if other people have found these in Dollar Tree, but mine had them, and I was really excited about it. And I got all 4 of these. The only one I did not get was the highlight, because I have so many highlighters, I don't need any more. But these are the LA Colors Conceal Correct Color Correctors, and they had 5 altogether there. So I got all 4 that I needed other than the highlight one. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so And I have to look up the colors because I'm not entirely sure what each of these was for. So this one is in the peach shade, and I think this one, I believe this one was for dark circles. So I got that. Yeah, it just says peach on it. It doesn't say, but I remember on the like display that it said dark circles. I also got the green one, and this one I believe was for, I cannot remember. I really cannot remember. I think the green was for, I think the green was for redness. So I got the green. I got the purple, which I remember it said sallowness, or the lavender I should say. I don't know what sallowness means. That's a really strange word. But I'm going to look that up and see. I'm just going to look up and see what each of these colors is for. But we'll give these a little go. If I like them, I'll let you guys know. I may even do a review on these on my blog. I think that would be pretty cool. If you guys want to see a video review, leave me a comment down below and I'll do one. And then the very last one I got was the yellow, and I don't remember what that was for either, but I'm gonna have to look it up. So I got those, and I got all 4 of those. And then they also had a highlight, but I really did not need the highlight because, like I said, I have enough highlighters. So I just got the color correctors. And that's everything that I got in this haul. So like I said, it was a small haul, but it was a very productive haul, and I got things that I knew I was going to use, so that's always good. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!